Hello, my name is Gail Martin and I'm the president of the Delta Community Foundation. The Delta Foundation was established in 1986 and we collect monies from people and organizations in Delta, and the monies are dispersed to smaller charities and community groups. We're Delta's charity for charities. Last year we were able to disperse $75,000 to community groups and smaller charities within Delta. We've supported sectors as diverse as mental health, the environment, food insecurity, shelter, Indigenous issues, and many, many more. We also administer 7 scholarships that are paid out each year to graduating high school students in Delta. Our all-volunteer board of directors has administrative costs of 1%. Thank you for this nomination, for recognizing the work that we do in our community, and good luck to all the other nominees.
Hello, my name is Christine Schmaltz and I'm the Executive Director of the Delta Farmland and Wildlife Trust. The Delta Farmland and Wildlife Trust works with farmers to implement stewardship projects on farms that support soil health and wildlife habitat. Through our programs, we support wildlife in a number of ways. One way is by implementing hedgerows, which we do by planting trees and shrubs along field edges to support wildlife habitat in those regions. Delta region is home to a number of wildlife species, key wildlife species. We also are on the Pacific Flyway, so we see millions of birds pass through this region each year. Snow geese are a species that many are familiar with, and we support snow geese populations here in Delta by planting cover crops on farm landscapes to provide food resources for snow geese over the winter. The planting of cover crops, we also support soil health on those farm landscapes by sequestering carbon and enhancing the root populations and other soil aspects that are very beneficial from a farming standpoint.
O siamsiayet, aitna squallowan ziquitsnala, Antha Rhiannon, Tlichna Humathquium, e Hummingbirds Rising Consulting. My name is Rhiannon Bennett and I'm one of the co-founders of Hummingbirds Rising Consulting along with my partner Andrea Hilder. Hummingbirds Rising Consulting helps connect pieces throughout history to help Canadians have a better understanding and a deeper context of the world that we live in and how to build better and more meaningful relationships with Indigenous peoples.
We started Hummingbirds Rising Consulting in 2018. We saw a need that people had for supporting them through the reconciliation process and decolonization. We've had a number of clients over the last almost 4 years. We've worked with almost every sector, anywhere from the arts to technology, the federal and provincial governments, and we really feel like we're making a difference.
Growing up in Ladner was really hard, having to come to terms with who I am, who my family is, because we were denied opportunities to stand in the truth of who we are and to be Indigenous. We were denied the opportunity to be proud of who we are and to be public about who we are. And I'm not willing to do that anymore. So I want to bring people along and invite people to come along to have an understanding of the truth of what has happened here and continues to happen here, so people have a better context and understanding of the world that we live in and the conflicts that we have and how to navigate them to build a more equitable and loving community.